camera. It's a good example of a lot of different varieties. You can see young larvae, a little bit older. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking this up. There's also some eggs in there, or yeah, there is some eggs here towards the center. But that's just a good frame of brood of a mix of different ages. There's actually, I just noticed this, there is drone brood hatching emerging right now. Is that on the camera?
Go down.
Right there is some drones emerging. That's pretty neat to see. So I've seen enough in this hive